Hey there, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 36 of our Supersize Your Business Annual Challenge. Today we're going to talk about rewiring this one thing to help you supersize and grow your business and increase your confidence. What is this one thing? This one thing is something that every single person in your organization, including you, I know it's hard to admit sometimes, just like it's hard to admit that we're the bottleneck in our business. Almost every time we get stuck somewhere when we're growing and building or trying to overcome a problem or a challenge, somehow, in some way, shape, or form, we, as the founder or leader of the organization, are actually making the problem worse. Maybe we're not empowering people to solve the problem for themselves, etc. But that's a challenge for a different day. Today we're talking about the infamous self-talk, the little voice that's going through all of our heads all of the time, no matter what. Challenge with that is it's not bad that we've got a little voice running through our head all the time. It's actually awesome because we always have the bigger version of ourself to tap into it and ask, does this work for our business or not? Is this in alignment with what we're trying to create or is it not? However, the challenge lies in that the vast majority of our self-talk, just like the vast majority of the information and things that we're inundated with every single day, is negative. I know there's all kinds of scientific studies and things I'm not going to refer to, but you will choose to believe what you want to believe out of everything anyway, just as I do. We all create our own reality. But I know for a fact that the majority of my self-talk is negative. And I'm like, I think I'm a pretty upbeat, positive, energetic person. And if I know that most of mine is negative, I think it's pretty safe to assume that almost all of our self-talk is negative. How's that working out for us? It's not. It undermines our confidence at every turn. So we want to rewire and do something about that today, right now. So our action item is going to be to notice today, as you're going about your business, going about your life, what 3 self-talk negative things pop up most frequently. And we're going to take each one of those and we're going to replace them with a positive affirmation. And every time it pops up going forward, you probably have to practice this for a week or so. At least it usually takes me about a week to change one. So that the positive is the thing that pops into my mind first versus the negative in order to replace that. If you've never created affirmations before, please put affirmations in the comments below and I will create another video that talks about how I do affirmations, what they are. They're just I am statements. I'll give you an example. Every time I turn off a video, and I make videos every day, this is my 9th year, every single time, I caught myself doing this at the end of the last year, and I used this process, replace it with an affirmation. So that now every time I turn off the camera, I automatically give myself a positive message. But I realized that the first thought that popped into my head whenever I pushed finish or stop or end recording, depending on what platform I'm using, was something negative and derogatory about how bad that video just was. Now, are some of them bad? Yes. Some of them I won't even go back and watch because I know they're horrible, and that's okay. It's a good thing about showing up every day. People are never going to watch all your videos, so hopefully they miss the bad ones, right? And so I had to replace that instant thought after I finished a video with something positive because that was negatively impacting my energy for the next video or the energy for the next day. And sometimes the energy for the entire day. And who wants that? Not me when I'm building and growing and supersizing my business. So today, notice the 3, replace them with a positive affirmation. I am whatever. And for your business, we are is appropriate. Or maybe it's I am getting out of the way of supersizing and growing my business. That's actually one I've had to say for a while because I realize I am the bottleneck a lot of the time. What are some of the common beliefs that might pop up? I'll give you a couple of examples. Catch your business self-doubt thoughts today. I want you to catch those because if you're having those, you are transmitting those to the rest of the people that are helping you build and supersize your business. And so not only are you negatively impacting yourself and all the people around you, which we do that, we have energy that floats from one person to the next. Maybe like, I'm not a real CEO. Oh, I just run an online business. Well, how self-deprecating is that? You run an online business. How many people on the planet don't run an online business? And so don't compare yourself to others in a negative way. Always compare yourself to others in a positive way. And always give yourself credit for how far you've come and how awesome you're doing just by showing up every day. I don't know what I'm doing. Boy, that's a momentum killer in and of itself. Or others are more qualified than I am. Yep, there's always going to be somebody that's better at absolutely everything you can possibly do. It's just the nature of humanity. But guess what? You're going to be better at the things that you're great at than everybody else can do too. So I find comparing ourselves to other people is an exercise in futility. And why do we want to do those, right? It's like procrastination. Exercise in just creating more stress for myself. So today, share just one of these in the comments below. You don't have to share them all. You don't have to go into all the details and tell a huge story. But you can tell as much story as you want and background as you want. But just identify of the top 3, pick one, replace it with a positive affirmation, and share that affirmation in the comments below to encourage other people to do the same. Because we can get a whole affirmation, replace negative self-talk and negative self-beliefs and negative things that undermine our confidence in us and our business, and help one another make the world a better place. Just this little thing can help you have a positive impact on the world. And isn't that what we're all here for? All right. Any questions about this? If you need help with this, please reach out and ask. Just let me know in the comments below. I'd also like to invite you to our Supersize Your Business School community. It is free right now. I do have tiers in there, which are active, but that is where this challenge is going to live pretty soon here. As soon as I roll that out, that's where it's going to be. If I can help you with it or with anything else, just let me know. But if you'd like to join the community, just put community in the comments below, and I will send you a personal invite to join us there. We are still in the forming stage, so it's a great time to get in because you can get access to me, access to other amazing people in the community, and you can help us determine what is it that we want to create there. What do we want that space to be? All right, have an awesome day, and I will, of course, be with you tomorrow.